Hey everyone, in this video, we'll explain what is online session and the features available during online sessions. An online session is a dynamic platform where participants can join remotely, making learning accessible from anywhere. Now, let's dive into the features. Resource selection. Customize your session by selecting necessary resources like camera, microphone, and speaker. Collaborative board. Engage students with a collaborative board and explore its features. Session controls. Mute or unmute mic, and disable or enable camera during the session as needed. Screen sharing. Share your screen to showcase presentations, websites, or documents. Stream video content. Stream videos with audio directly within the session. Change meeting room views. Customize your view to focus on specific participants or content, full screen view. Speaker views and grid views. Emoticons and hand raise. Use emoticons to express reactions and raise your hand to ask questions. Chat and file sharing. Communicate with participants via chat and share files for collaborative learning. Dynamic resource management. Change camera and microphone settings on the fly during the session. Pin video. Pin specific videos to keep them visible during the session. End session. Option for leaving the session at any point of time. And there you have it. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each feature in our upcoming videos.